In this video, we will talk about medical equipment as part of the Facility Management and Safety Program. For more videos, visit my Facebook page, Healthcare Quality. Medical equipment is a significant factor in our ability to deliver quality patient care. Keeping these equipments properly maintained and readily available is critical to the effective treatment, diagnosis, and monitoring of our patients. Each hospital should establish and implement a program for inspecting, testing, and maintaining medical equipment and documenting the results. For the proper selection and acquisition of medical equipment, a needs assessment will be completed by each department for replacement or new equipment. The needs assessment will be reviewed by the Capital Equipment Committee and the Director of Engineering. The Director of Engineering will determine if the equipment meets appropriate space requirements, load and phase requirements, minimum safety standards of 3-wire AC line cord with hospital-grade plug, appropriate warranties, and manufacturer's reliability prior to purchase. To establish risk criteria for identifying, evaluating, and taking inventory of medical equipment, all mechanical and electrical patient care equipment will be evaluated prior to use based on number 1, function, including diagnosis, care, treatment, and monitoring. Number 2, physical risks associated with use to both patients and operators. And number 3, maintenance requirements and history of equipment incidents. There must be a current inventory of all equipment included in the equipment management program. So, in order to ensure that medical equipment is available for use and functioning properly, the hospital performs and documents an inventory, regular inspections, testing according to its use and manufacturer's requirements, and performance of preventive maintenance. Equipment testing, inspecting, and maintaining intervals. These are based on the following criteria: manufacturer's recommendations, risk levels, and current hospital experience. Each hospital should have a system in place for monitoring and acting on medical equipment hazard notices, recalls, reportable incidents, problems, and failures sent by the manufacturer, supplier, or regulatory agency. Hospitals must identify and comply with the laws and regulations pertaining to reporting of medical equipment incidents. Some countries require reporting of any medical equipment that has been involved in a death, serious injury, or illness. The Medical Equipment Management Program addresses the use of any medical equipment with a reported problem or failure, or that is the subject of a hazard notice or is under recall. Incident history is documented and maintained in the Director of Engineering office. Equipment displaying unusual repair history or unusual incidents of injury to patients or staff will be evaluated for necessary changes or replacement. These services should be provided by qualified individuals. Medical equipment is inspected and tested when new and then on an ongoing basis according to the equipment age, use, and manufacturer's instructions. Inspections, testing results, and any maintenance are documented. This helps ensure the continuity of the maintenance process and helps when doing capital planning for replacements, upgrades, and other changes. Biomedical engineers are responsible for all medical equipment in use in the hospital. Services is available 24 hours a day to carry out first-line repair and preventive maintenance work. Biomedical engineers also provide trainings to the users on how to operate the machines. They also show you simple troubleshooting on minor breakdowns to cope up while the machine is in use. Rule of maintenance is to keep all equipment in good working condition, reduce breakdown ratio and repair costs, and keep medical equipment ready for use to serve patients round the clock. Giving proper preventive maintenance also increases the life of all equipment and save patients' life. The medical equipment management program includes an orientation and education program for equipment maintainers. All equipment maintainers should be tested for their knowledge and skills necessary to perform equipment repair and maintenance according to their job specifications. Staff should be also oriented and educated on the reporting process for equipment management problems, failures, and user errors. Thorough training will be provided regarding the capabilities, limitations, special applications of equipment, basic operating and safety procedures, emergency procedures if failure occurs, maintenance responsibilities if applicable, and the reporting procedures for equipment problems, failures, and user errors included in the program by department directors or designees in involved departments. All users of equipment shall be tested for competency according to the components of their job specifications. Thank you.